oftentimes free shipping doesn't get it there in time, so you might want to have it shipped to whoever you're
How much do you think the online shopping will increase this year over last year?
It goes up a lot every year. I would say this year we'll probably see a 20 to even up to 50% increase because it's so much easier. You don't have to deal with crowds. Some people like that. Some people like going and being in the crowds and trying to get things.
Households in this country, their consumer confidence went down over 6%. The bottom one-third rocketed more than 10%. We have been seeing Americans who have been shut out of the economic recovery for a long time.
What drive to retailers. So if you're providing value and you're providing convenience as a retailer, you're going to do very, very well this season.
All right, gentlemen, thank you both very much and happy Thanksgiving. The only obstacle may be the weather, right? Temperatures in the 20s along the East Coast, icy, cold winds that could actually even ground the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Some of those balloons may have to be grounded. Meteorologist Rick Rodman is with us from the Fox Weather Center, keeping track of all of this. Rick, I'm getting chilly just tossing this to you.
I know, but here's the deal. It's going to be better by Friday once you're going to go outside to shop.
An advantage, but she made some gaffes on the campaign trail, including joking about attending a public hanging. Well, President Trump was in state trying to shore up Republican support with rallies in Tupelo and Biloxi. He told reporters Hyde Smith has apologized for her comments, and he warned his base what would happen if a Democrat were to win today's runoff.
For manufacturers to succeed in the U.S. And that's lower tax rates, lower regulation, and we see the results. We've got about 450,000 more manufacturing jobs. And so I think that when you see a specific company that's heading in a different direction, then you really have to wonder, what's up with that company? Why are they unable to keep up with the trends of everybody else?
Now, the political outbreak for the president, this could be bad politically for him. Yeah, he has talked about bringing jobs back to America. This obviously is the opposite of that. But economically, GM says that they have to do this for the survival of the company. Neil?
All right, buddy. Thank you very, very much. I just wanted to know if there was any other news today about the migrants that are arriving in Mexico. Now, Mexico is saying...
Idiot! There's not even a turn lane there. It's not an entrance.
ZipRecruiter finds great candidates for you. That's why you should try it now for free. Their powerful matching technology scans thousands of resumes to identify people with the right skills, education, and experience, and actively invites them to apply to your job, so you get qualified candidates fast. And while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds what you're looking for. The
just ran around.
ZipRecruiter is rated #1 by employers in the U.S. That's based on hiring sites on Trustpilot with over 1,000 reviews.
My daughter and I have been working for Labor Finder the last 2 months. 3 days straight in a row, the rain has not let me work. I've lost our hotel room today over $14. I just left Pilot. I thought we were getting a Western Union. We're not getting it until tomorrow, so we're homeless up here.
You know, that's the same story you've told me twice before,
Well,
sitting in this same spot.
Over
the past 2 years.
This is about the 4th time we've had to do this. And it's embarrassing, but I have no family. No one to ask for help. We're just pretty much
Knoxville's got lots of resources.
Yeah, I'm hoping I'm supposed to be on this ticket. It turns into full time. I got about 3 weeks left on it. Hope to God we get full time work after that.
Yeah, well, I can't help you out any more than I did the last 2 times.
Have a blessed night.
Yep. Same story the man's told me for the past 2 years. This makes the 3rd time. So him and his daughter. She was pregnant one time, don't see the baby. But same story. Labor force, blah, blah, blah.
The falling snow. If we make it through December.
Wow!
In a warmer town come summertime.
Whoa!
Maybe even California.
Holy shit!
If we make it through December, we'll be fine.
And so there are a lot of ways we can get people back to work because they're all getting out at some point in time. In Texas, they've done this, and they've had these programs where people get like job training while they're in prison. And guess what? They've closed 8 prisons in Texas because people are not recommitting. The numbers of people recommitting crimes have gone, down dramatically. That's what I'm for, less crime. And so I think this is a real law and order bill, and absolutely was a good idea.
I'm out of time, but please come back and spend more time with us, okay? Merry Christmas, Junior. Thank you. Rand Palmer on the Hill. Julie.
All right, there is new outrage over California's sanctuary policies after a man wanted by ICE is accused of murder.
Attention investors, not earning 18 to 21%? Then you're losing, big time. National Realty's Class A property fund includes prime income producing property built far below market value. You're secured, you're recession proof, with large apartment buildings. You're diversified. This portfolio has $600 million in new construction equity value. Once you see these Class A locations, you'll wonder what took you so long to call. Call 201-210-2727. That's 201-210-2727. An offer to buy or sell any security is only made by our private placement memorandum. Read the first and invest wisely. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. National is a real estate development firm. See us at NRIA.net.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. When I named this company after Madison, it was a vow on my part to create a company that she would be proud of, that does hair color right and gives women what they deserve. We believe in beautiful, naturally healthy-looking hair, and that all